Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure that you have WP Auto Terms on the website. You are going to go to all legal pages, add legal pages. First, you are going to start with a simple privacy policy. And you're going to come down here, make sure this is the website URL. Make sure this is the name of the website. We know that this is the Atlanta one. The country, this is going to be ours, so it's going to be the United States. United States. The state is going to depend on the website. If you're not sure, just ask us. Ellie's Makeup Artistry Atlanta. This is for Atlanta, Georgia. That's important though, so if you're not sure, please go ahead and ask me. I'll try and specify that for each website. What is your company name? Again, same thing. Can users create an account on your website? No, that'll be for all websites that cannot create an account. All websites, we will be collecting the name, email, and telephone. This is just like the form, whatever we ask for in our forms. No, this is for all websites. And yes, this is for all websites. Then click Create. After you create that one, you're going to go back to all legal pages. And we're going to add the other one. So then we are going to create a terms and conditions. We'll click Create. And again, same URL, same name. Make sure this is for the correct website, right? Country, United States again. The state, so this one's for Georgia. Again, make sure this will be website specific. The name, can users create an account? No. Do you want to make it clear that you own your content? Yes. Okay, so these will be the same for all. Do you want to be able to terminate access? Yes. Recommended 30 days notice. Yes. Okay, so this is what it'll be for all websites except for the state and the name. Then click Create. After that, you are going to go back to all legal pages. And you will have your privacy policy you created and your terms and conditions. So for the privacy policy, go ahead and copy only the short code. Okay. And then we're going to go to pages. Here we are. Now we're going to add a new page. We are going to label it the privacy policy. We're going to come here and we're going to paste that short code we just copied. Okay, then we're going to click Publish. Okay. And we can go to Preview Changes, and it should look like a privacy policy. Perfect. Okay. So go back, and we're going to do the same thing for the terms and conditions. So go back to WP Auto Terms, all legal pages. We're going to copy and paste this. We're going to make a new page. What is this? Terms and conditions. Paste it here. Publish. Preview changes just to make sure that it worked, which it did. It's all here. It's totally fine. You don't need to edit the look of this or anything. It looks weird, but that's okay. As long as it's readable and it's showing up, that's good. I don't really care what this particular page or the privacy page looks like. Okay, we want to go back to the dashboard, and then we want to click on compliance kits. And we want to scroll down to where it says links to legal pages. We are going to disable, only this one, disable. Okay, now go more and go to the pages here. Okay, privacy policy and terms and conditions, perfect, okay. So then we're gonna go here to quick edit, privacy policy, perfect. Quick edit, just wanna make sure that's showing up, okay. Next, we need to go ahead and put that in the footer of the website. So we're going to go to the website. We're going to go to Edit with Elementor. I'm going to get this to load. Okay. Now we're going to, oops. Once the website loads, we're going to scroll all the way down to the footer. Edit footer. If you have a random white bar at the bottom here, it means you forgot to disable, you forgot one of the steps before where we went into auto terms and went to configure. It means you forgot to disable the links. So if you have a white bar at the bottom, just go back to WP auto terms and disable like we did in a previous step. Okay, and then we're just going to add in a text editor kind of at the bottom here. Okay, there we go. There it is. Okay. Put in privacy policy, terms and conditions. So we're going to do, we're going to do just privacy policy, and we're going to link it to that page we just created. So I'll go to link options. I'll go to, if you click here, all of these will show up. So we want to link to privacy policy, and I want to open it in a new tab. Any button that's clickable, I want it to open in a new tab if it's going to a new page. Okay. Add link. Okay. Terms and conditions, we want to link to the page we just did. Terms and conditions, new tab, add link. We'll just leave it alone. Oops. Okay, update. And that's it for the privacy and terms and conditions. Okay. Lastly, I just want you to double check. So click privacy policy, a new tab opens. Okay, looks good. And terms and conditions, let's click that. New tab opens and it's here. That's everything. They're showing up here. There's no white bar. They open a new tab. That's all you need to do.